concert, I feel like it's kind of about coming together and singing about love and singing about good times and singing about bad
times. The way that I've been loving you.
Driving like that. Wait, Kelsey, why are your arms like that?
Because I was sweaty, so I have to air it out.
Her car doesn't have air, so it's pretty hot in here, but it's all worth it. We made it! Yes, I'm so excited.
We're gonna park back here.
Yeah, just anywhere, I guess. Yes! Finally.
This song's really good.
Yeah, I really like this song. We finally made it! Are you excited?
Yes, I'm hot.
Oh my gosh, we've been waiting for this for 9 months. I'm very excited. Let's go and get our things and go inside.
Oh my gosh, that was so close.
Kelsey.
This is why you need your ID.
I know, I lost it. Kelsey is slaying with her outfit. Wait a minute, let me see.
What?
Oh. I was, why are you pulling my drawstring bag? Okay. Wait, okay, wait. Okay, we're at 211, so I have to go down here.
I like
I think 215, 214. Oh, why? I have to tell. Oh, here we are.
Oh, we need it.
211.
It's probably not gonna be that exciting on the inside.
I know it's probably not going to be, but I don't care. I'm still videotaping it. This is the first time I've ever stayed in a hotel by myself without my parents.
Oh, sweetheart. No.
Oh. That's so stupid.
Hotels enough.
I don't stay in hotels at all.
Oh, that's nice. Oh, it's cold.
Oh, it's nice and cold compared to the Satan's bathtub
Oh, this is
of your car.
Oh, this is so cold.
Oh, it's so. Oh, it just fell. This is so cold. Oh my gosh, I want to jump on the bed.
It's a nice little room.
I really want to jump on the bed right now.
Oh, look.
Oh, look, a little mirror.
Oh, this
Hello. Hello, life. Living.
Oh, look. You can sit here and do your makeup and I'll stand here. And it's, look, it's made for midget people.
Oh, this is perfect. All right, let's see the view.
Alex, sweetheart, I think there's not a view.
Oh, a view of the parking lot. This is the back
Hey,
parking lot.
Alex, look, there's a little fridge. So,
Like, oh, we can put our waters in there.
yeah, so they can get cold. Oh, and I think they have an ice thing here that we could use.
Ooh, fancy. You look so pretty. Yes. Wait, where'd you put the key? Do you have it?
Yeah.
I can't believe they charged me $160. It's supposed to be $136. I'm gonna go out down and ask him about that. All right, well.
Maybe because you didn't have your ID, so there's an extra fee.
I don't think so, but. Okay, so we're in Concord Mills Mall now in Charlotte, NC, and we're actually at this really cool prom dress shop. Not that we're looking for prom dresses, but we just thought we'd come in here because we love pretty dresses. And also, Kelsey's sister, Caitlin, my best friend, is getting married in December, so we're actually looking for a mother of the bride dress just to get some ideas for her mom. So, look at all these pretty dresses. I really just want to buy a dress just to have a dress. I mean, they're so pretty. Look at this one.
I have my prom dress here.
I actually really like that one. Ooh, that's pretty.
I feel like
Look at this red one. Yes. I wish I had somewhere to wear this. This is so fancy. It's so glittery. And we're just shopping now. I love this mall. It's so different from ours. It's so much nicer than our mall in South Carolina. Oh, I like this dress. I would just wear this dress like normally, to be honest. Ooh, look at this one. That one's pretty. What?
When I come to go to Jillian's, you know, in September,
You should get your prom dress.
No, I'm saying I should come look for our homecoming dress.
Ooh, yeah, that would be pretty. Ooh, I like that one. This place is actually pretty big. This is a lot nicer than the dress stores we have in South Carolina. Man, South Carolina really needs to step up their game. Ooh, Express Men. Express Outlet. Yes. They have a Windsor. Oh my gosh, I'm dying. I'm dying. I'm dying. I'm dead. I'm dead. We're going in here so I can spend all my money. Ooh, I like that. What's that? Oh, never mind. I don't like that. It looks like a grandma's shirt. Tell me where you've been. Ooh, I love this dress. So we're going in Outdoor World. Oh my gosh, this place is magical. Oh, you're fine. Look at this place. It really is like another world in here. My mom would be living for this store. My mom loves stuff like this. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Oh, I could get it for Jameson. I wish I had the money. Jameson is my nephew that is soon to be born.
Like, it's like a fake one. That's kind of weird.
Brownie. Look at this. I don't know if you're allowed to touch it. Touch it. It's a real. Did you touch it? Does it feel weird? Oh, the poor little piggy. I'm gonna touch it. I'm kind of scared. These might be fake, but the body is real. Yeah, this is totally real. Oh. Touch the turkey now. Touch it.
These are fake.
Alright, touch the feathers. No, don't touch the feet.
Are these fake turkeys?
No, that's a real turkey.
No, I'm not touching it.
Touch the feather.
Oh my god. Why did it look like it was moving?
Oh my gosh. I'm pretty sure it did not move, Kelsey. I'm pretty sure. Okay, so we're back in the hotel now. And don't mind me, my hair's wet. We actually just went to the pool. And we went to dinner. We went to the Cheesecake Factory. It was really good. It was really expensive, but it was good.
I spent $30 on just me to eat there.
Mine wasn't. Mine was a little bit less expensive, but whatever.
But it was really good. Tell me what you got.
But it was good. I had some pasta
It was
dish.
like farfalle chicken.
I don't even know. It had
pasta.
chicken, mushrooms, which I hate mushrooms, but I ate them anyways because they were good.
And I had garlic noodles with shrimp.
And our hotel room is a mess already. Look at this mess.
I was freaking out because Ashton is in Charlotte.
Oh
And
my gosh,
I
she
want
literally screamed so
And I want to go
loud.
find him. But I have no clue where to look.
No, I'm not wasting my time on trying to go find them.
I
Okay,
want to.
so let's do like a little mini haul.
We didn't really get that much.
No, I mean like literally it's mini.
It's
mini
like
haul.
3 or 4 things.
Yeah.
So,
So I went to
Route 21.
Route 21. What'd you get at Route 21? We got the same thing, actually. Just in different colors. So I got this like...
Here, do you want me to hold it up?
Yeah.
for you? We got these little dresses.
The
They were
little
only
slip
$8.
dress.
They look like slips.
They really do, but it's so pretty.
They were only $8.
Yeah.
It's just like a little.
I don't know.
We thought it was cute for layering, like
Yeah.
in the fall.
I definitely wouldn't wear the dress on its own though. Okay, and then I got This. Oh, you show me your dress.
Well, I mean, my dress is the same exact thing, just in dark green.
Dark green.
Yeah.
Okay, and then you got a necklace and I got a necklace. It's in a freaking bag. So I got this. It's 50% off. What the heck? There we go. So it's just like, I don't know, I thought it was cute.
It is really cute.
This is like the jankiest haul ever.
And then I got this necklace. I thought this one was cute.
Yeah.
It has a little elephant, like, right there. That's a
What'd you
love.
get at... Alright, we had to change views because my camera was about to die. Sorry. Okay, what else did you get? That little puff?
Sorry.
She's texting. Well, okay, I'll show you. She got this little puff for her keychain, and it's really cute.
Yeah, I just wanted a puff. That was probably the biggest waste of money, but...
$4.99.
I just want it.
Okay, and I plugged my phone is plugged in. So okay, then we went to Charlotte Russe and Charlotte Russe. I got a pair of shorts. I don't know. They're distressed.
Weren't they like $12 or
They were 15. They were on sale for 15.
That's so cheap.
And then I also got 2 bracelet sets because I'm gonna wear some bracelets tomorrow for 5 sauce. So I got this black pair. This is like the worst vlog ever. I'm so sorry. I'm so bad at vlogging. And I didn't vlog any at our dinner either.
No.
I kind of wanted it to just like, I don't know. And then this one pair. Okay, now what'd you get at Bath and Body Works?
I don't know why you're so upset about my Bath and Body.
I don't know. I'm just like, pour it out.
Okay. I bought my mommy a hand soap just because, I don't know.
What flavor?
Tropical mint. Alex hates it, but...
It smells really bad. Well, I mean, it doesn't smell really bad. It just like has a tropical flavor. Then it goes into like this mint. I don't know. I can't.
And then I got the Sun body spray. I used to have this, but I used it all, and it was 75% off. So I'm like, why not? And I just bathed myself in it.
Can you give me my hair apostle bag?
Yeah. That was all I got at Bath and Body Works. Not that exciting. And then this is the steal of the night.
Oh yes. I got these for $2 and like 30 something
It
cents.
was like, no, it was $2.24.
Yeah, they're just a pair of high-waisted like acid wash shorts, and I really need some
For
shorts.
$2.
I know. We're so boring.
And then I got this little shirt.
This little number.
It was like $4.50 or something. We're cheap and something.
I know. We always shop the sales.
It was like $4.50.
Oh, my teeth look yellow.
Let me see.
Oh my.
Ew.
Oh.
I think it's just.
Well, I'm about to do a whitening kit anyways.
Don't remember my face.
Look at mine.
I like yellow too. Anyway, back to the haul. It's just like a white, like, kind of t-shirt thing. It doesn't really look like anything on the camera.
Yeah.
So.
Oh, show me what you got at Forever 21.
And then I saw these at Forever 21. The longest time I was like, I'm not gonna buy them. Then at the end of the night, I wanted them, so we went back and I got them. They're little ear cuffs. I'm really excited. Like, they're just, you couldn't see them, but they're like, yeah, they're just little hoop ring things.
Guys, so I'm about to do my whitening kit, which I actually bought this online. And works really well. So it comes with whitening trays, which you actually mold to your teeth yourself. It comes with whitening gel, which I've already used most of it. Oh, and where's my little light? And it comes with a little light. Good morning! It is the morning of 5 sauce and I'm dying. Literally dying. I just woke up and it's like 6:30 and I look like atrocious, but whatever. And I'm so excited. So we are getting ready and we're gonna go eat breakfast and then we're gonna try to get at the venue at like 9 o'clock because we have sound check. And I don't know, I can't believe like we have sound check. I'm so excited. hopefully they'll call on me. If I do, like, I'm gonna hyperventilate. I don't know. Like, I don't think I can get through the question if they actually called on me. Like, I seriously think I would, like, freeze up and, like, die. We're gonna try to get there early. And we're gonna just, I don't know, sit there, sunbathe, I don't know, listen to music for 8 hours. And I'm gonna cry because I wanna be like, oh my gosh, we don't even have sunscreen. I'm gonna be so burnt. Alright, so this is my outfit. I'm wearing 2 5-stars. I have my Converse, and then I've got this dress. Again, it's from Altered State. My bralette is from Aerie, and I've got like just a little choker on, and then these bracelets are from Charlotte Russe. Okay, so we finally made it to sound check, and I met these awesome people.
Hey, I'm Jenna.
Oh, sorry. Say your name.
I'm Jenna.
Okay, your name?
I'm Kaylin.
And yours?
For parents and drivers,
Awesome.
Premier
We're literally sweating so bad. Like, I feel like I just took a shower, and I can't even. But they came prepared. They brought a towel.
Yeah.
And you live in Greenville too, which is really cool. So, but yeah, so we're sitting and we're pretty close to the front, so we should get good seats, but we still have 3 hours to go, so we'll see how it goes. But oh my gosh, I'm so sweaty. I can't.
That's so cool. So you like edit.
All right, guys, so this is Gaia, and this is her shirt. That's how you say it, right? Yeah. Okay. And look at her shirt. It has Michael eating chickens, and then what's your skirt? Is that Callum?
No, it's Callum, Michael, Luke, and then...
Oh my gosh, that's so cool.
Ashton.
You make that too? She made that shirt.
Yeah, I made the shirt.
Yeah, okay. Did you made the skirt too?
No.
Oh, I was about to say, that's so good, girl. What about the shoes? Did you make those or did you buy those?
I did.
And her shoes too. You are just like, that is the best outfit I've seen all day. Oh, she has Michael earrings too. Oh my gosh, girl. You have the best outfit. You should get an award. I'm not even kidding. It's so cute. I love that. I don't know. This is the best group ever. So this is our group mom.
Hi friends!
And
All about some 5-stars.
yes! Tell them what you did last night.
We went all around Charlotte looking for Luke, and we even had like a little rhyme. What was our rhyme? You remember, Jenna? What did we say?
5 sauce come out of your
We
hiding
said,
spot.
oh my gosh! Come on, 5 sauce in your hiding spot. Come on. That's so much fun.
She bought us all ices, which I really appreciate.
Yeah,
and
we're
she's
so excited.
yes, like she came with food, she came with a blanket, she came with a cooler, everything. It's amazing.
Yeah.
And then
Called rock star status.
yes,
This
totally.
is not a boy band. This is a rock band.
Yes! Is it okay if I videotape y'all? Yeah. Okay. And these girls are also part of our group, and they gave us these fans. Like, we're passing around these fans.
Real MVP.
This is the best group I've ever, like, this is so much fun. Like, I can't believe this.
Love you.
This girl's gonna sing. She is amazing. All right, go. Ready?
Okay, go girl.
All right, go.
Walking home and talking loads. From teeth and claws and slamming doors.
Woo!
I was sleeping at the edge, holding something we told me.
Go girl.
Project.
Illusion in my head. It's
Give it all
gonna
you
bring
got,
us to
girl.
harmony.
Come on, right now.
So come on, let it go. Just let it be. Why don't you be you? When I'll be
Yes.
everything that's wrong.
That was so good. Oh my gosh, you're so good. Is it recording? Yes. All right, so we just got done with sound check. Oh my gosh, how was it, guys?
So amazing, like the best experience ever.
Yes.
Like so worth the wait in the heat.
Luke looked right into her face.
Yes.
Oh, I'm just vlogging. No, it's fine. Go ahead and do what you need to do.
I brought like makeup and hairspray.
And we were second row, and literally, I can't even tell you. I can't even tell you. We were so close. Just beautiful. How was your experience?
I died and was resurrected.
I will. Want me to go
Kelsey, how was your experience?
Great. Luke kept looking at me, made eye contact with Callum. Ashton's jawline was beautiful, and they played If You Don't Know, and I sobbed. And we were second row in the center.
Yeah, it was pretty amazing. Now we're just waiting until the actual concert, and I can't believe this is my life. I just can't. All right.
You guys need to redo your makeup.
Waiting for 5 Sauce or One OK Rock right now. It's been a wild day, but they're about to come on. I can get pretty close. Yeah, they're about to come on. So Chelsea's taking a bunch of pictures. Ooh, that's really close. Taking a bunch of pictures. We're all hot and sweaty now. Woo!
This next part, I need everyone, front to back, left to right. If you know this song, let's go long way home. Hopefully you know that. big things with me. Indulge me. So let's take it a long way home. 'Cause I wanna be wasting my time alone. I wanna get lost in that memory. Talk about nothing else.
Pretty hot. Really, really, really hot.
I'm dying back here.
We've been playing for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We've done 8 songs, and I feel like that I've played 2 sets. Yeah, that means I'm sweating a lot. That means I'm sweating balls up here.
Because it looks like you guys are sweating balls out there.
These sweating balls down there. Wait, that sounded really weird. Oh God, what have I done? So, give it up for Mr. Luke Hemmings. Mr. Luke tonight.
Buddy boy, when you're 20, you become Mr. Luke.
It's a special occasion tonight because it's Luke's first, kind of, it's his first show where it's not his birthday. And it was Luke's birthday for like a month, and now it's not his birthday anymore. How's it feel to be 20 now? And like 20, like officially.
I feel the same the other day. I feel good. I feel good. I feel old. I feel like I'm more tired on stage because I'm old now.
Yeah, and it's also like 100 degrees. I could, and we really appreciate that. And people like you who come to concerts to celebrate and have a good time. People who have the opportunity to make a change in the world. And this concert is kind of about. This concert, I feel like it's kind of about coming together and singing about love and singing about good times and singing about bad times. And most of all is that as people we all understand each other and we're all human beings. And that's super important in times like these. And just sing along as loud as you can to this next song if you know it.
We're done with the concert and I've never been so freaking tired in my entire life.
honestly feel like I can't practice.
Oh my gosh. And Kelsey can't talk. She loses her voice every time. I screamed so loud and I did not even lose my voice at all.
Did you hear me when Michael started performing Jet Black Heart?
Oh my gosh, that was the best. But my makeup is literally crumbling off. I guess I like pounded it. Like I put cakes of makeup on. I don't blame it. And I've been sweating all day. I've never been so sweaty in my entire life. But yeah, so we're really tired and we're gonna drive. We got an hour and a half to drive back. So hopefully we'll get home before 1. I'm like crossing my fingers. So, but thank you guys so much for watching this if you have watched all of it. I hope you guys really liked the vlog and I hope that you guys will subscribe if you haven't already. Also, let me know who's your favorite out of 5 sauce. And also, if you're going to a Sounds Life, Feels Life show, just let me know which one you're going to. I'd love to know in the comments. So, and if you also want to know a little bit more about sound check, because I really didn't like touch on that at all. I really just didn't really go into detail. If you want to like have more detail about sound check, I can make like a whole separate video dedicated just like my sound check experience. But that's totally up to you. I'm not going to do it unless you guys request that. So, love you guys all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.